Roofing made simple. It's a term that was built and coined by WeatherWeld. The reason WeatherWeld was invented more than 30 years ago was because roofing didn't work. And to this day, for most roofing manufacturers, and probably with your experience, roofing doesn't work because it's the same flawed technology that's been reinvented and resold as the newest, latest, and greatest thing. And WeatherWeld was invented to solve that problem, to make roofing simple, to make roofing seamless, strong, and sustainable. And the exact same product that we installed back in the late 1980s is still the exact same product that we install today, with the exact same mission and the exact same mindset. Our goal is to eliminate your roof leaks on your building the first time. Same mission, same address, same phone number, same goals. And because our mission statement has never changed, that means that you can have confidence knowing that WeatherWeld was invented for you more than 30 years ago. That's the exact same product, and it's still designed to eliminate your roof leaks on your buildings for a lifetime.